The next generation we are going to learn now is fifth generation. The duration is from 1980 till date. The main component used inside the fifth generation computer is ULSI, which is ultra large scale integration. Here it includes millions of electronic equipments inside this. A chip which has so many components in it to form it. And it is more capable than your microprocessor. Let's see the merits of using the fifth generation computer. The very first one is parallel processing. Parallel processing is nothing but splitting the work. A single task is being even splitted up and it is being done simultaneously so that the work can be accomplished very faster. So that is known as parallel processing. The next one is superconductors. Actually, this falls under physics, superconducting technology. Here, in computers, they use the logic circuit or the logic gate that use the unique properties of superconductor, including zero resistant wire, ultra fast Josephson junction switches, quantization of magnetic flux. So all these things. So that may be irrelevant to the topic now. Just we can see that the technology of supercomputer helps us in cooling the temperature of operation. That is, it helps in reducing the heat generated by the processing. Next one is computer size was drastically reduced. Because of this ULSI, the size of the computer has been drastically reduced. Can recognize image and graphics. You might have seen when you need to search for something like a text or a picture, even some dresses, if you need to search for that, just posting the picture is enough, right? With that we get the same type of dress. So that is being done. It could recognize the graphics. Introduction of artificial intelligence and expert system. You people know what artificial intelligence is. We are expecting the hardware device to think of it and come to a decision. So that is the artificial intelligence, the robots which is being used for cleaning the house. We might have seen a circular one which will be just going on to the places wherever dust is there. It will be going on cleaning. And so many other robots are available and it is being introduced every day. They use the technology artificial intelligence. Able to solve high complex problems including decision making and logical reasoning. So with the help of fifth generation computers, researchers has become very easier. Next one is sixth generation. They mentioned the duration as in future. Even now in some places they have started using the sixth generation computers. Here they use the merits of the sixth generation computers are parallel and distributed computing. You people already know what is parallel processing. Distributed computing is nothing but making things global. From one place I can access some other computer, I can do the process over there, I can accomplish my task. So distributed working is this distributed computing. Next, the computers have become smarter, faster and smaller. It has become much smarter. Smarter in the sense the capacity has been increased. It is working very faster and the size has become very smaller. The development of robotics is a merit in this, and natural language processing. You people know Alexa. Even in your mobile you do voice search. We can search for a particular heading just giving the voice note. So everything comes under natural language processing. And then development of voice recognition software. So they are going to deal with the general voice instead of sitting and typing and doing things or using a mouse for doing work. We can give our voice command to accomplish our task. That is what is expected in our sixth generation. Let's see here what is given under sixth generation computing. In the sixth generation, computers could be defined as an era of intelligent computers based on artificial neural networks. So it can be a period of intelligent computers just because they are using this artificial neural networks. That is, they started to think. So we call them as intelligent computer. One of the most dramatic change in the sixth generation will be the explosive growth of wide area networking. So the wide area networking is being used a lot, that is covering a larger area. And then natural language processing is a component of artificial intelligence. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP is the ability of computer program to understand human language as it is spoken. And then it provides the ability to develop the computer program to understand human language. So this is all about your sixth generation computing.